Hey guys, what's going on? Hope you guys are safe. Today we are going to look at interesting one-click method for text, and I am damn sure that it will save your time and fasten your workflow. And I'm going to give one bonus tip at the end of this tutorial. Okay, let's get started. Here we have text. Suppose if I want to make this caps, it will be easy for me to retype because it's hardly 2 words. But what if we have a huge paragraph? Then comes the headache. To fix this, we have an option called all caps. To enable that, select the text and click on this character panel, or you can go to Windows and character. Okay, then select the text, then click on this all caps icon. Here you can see the changes. This works on the paragraph as well. You can see here. And here we have few more options to explore, like bold, italic. If you don't have the option bold and italic for your text, you can make use of this bold and italic. To achieve the superscript text like this, just select the text and click on the superscript icon. Here you can see the changes. For the subscript text, just select the text and click on the subscript icon. And here we have the other options like underline, strike through. You can make use of those stuffs. Now it's time for bonus tip. Here you can see the hyphenation. To remove this hyphenation manually, it will be difficult and time consuming as well. So to fix this, we have one option in paragraph panel, hyphenate. Just uncheck this hyphenate. It will be automatically removed from the paragraph. That's it. If you guys know any interesting options like this, just let me know in comment section so that we all can make use of that. That's it for today's tutorial. See you next tutorial. Bye bye.